Welcome to a very special edition of Valley Life. I'm J.R. Jackson, and as you can see, we're at the Central California Blood Center's Bloodmobile. And today we have a very special edition with Affinity Dental. You see Kopi and Dr. Michaels every day on Great Day. Well, Affinity Dental is giving back to the community. A great opportunity to get blood supplies back up, much needed blood supplies in the Central Valley. We're going to meet with Raphael in just a moment, and he'll tell you just exactly how you can donate, how easy it is to donate, and how Affinity Dental is helping out. Let's go talk to Raphael. As we continue our visit today with the Blood Center and the blood drive going on at Affinity Dental, I've had a chance to grab Raphael Cabrera, who is the Blood Center's recruitment and blood donor. He pretty much keeps an eye on everything. Thanks for joining us today, Raphael.
Well, thank you for being here. This is really wonderful.
I understand there's a critical shortage of blood. We talk about it a lot during the holidays, but why is there a shortage, and what can we do to help that shortage?
Well, there's been a lot of high usage in the last 3 weeks, and this is why we're very low in blood supply. We're at 30% all blood type levels at this point. So we're looking for people that are healthy, those few people that are healthy to come out and donate blood. So we're also going to new places. This is one of a place that Affinity Dental has never done a blood drive before, so we solicit them in the last few days and says, hey, we need a blood drive. Can you bring us some people? So they were generous and kind enough to do a blood drive for us to help kind of bring up the blood supply. And so we're doing this with a lot of businesses. We need new blood.
And it's a great opportunity. I know I'm a patient of Affinity Dental. They do such a wonderful job, but it's also a chance for them to give back to the community, and it's a centralized location that makes it easier for you.
Definitely it is. We have 3 fixed sites here in Fresno. We have one in Visalia, one in Porterville. People could also go to the blood centers and donate blood during business hours. There's no appointment needed. So we need all blood types, especially O negative, universal type. But even if they don't know their blood type, we need the blood type. There's a lot of babies and adults at the hospital that are waiting for blood transfusions. So
now we're going to talk with some of the donors in just a moment, but refresh the memory of our viewers of the people that have never donated. How easy is it?
Well, it's a very simple process. It takes about 40 minutes to an hour. People need to have a good meal, drink lots of fluids before they come in and donate, or within 4 hours of their donation. They must be 16 and older. Of course, 16 with a parent written consent. 17 and older do not need a parent consent form. There's no upper age limit. Bring a photo ID. So 16 and older, 110 pounds and over, bring a photo ID, have a good meal, and drink lots of water, and then we'll take it from there. As long as they don't have any cold or flu symptoms, because again, this is the cold flu season, so this is why a lot of people are not able to donate, even though they've donated on a regular basis. But you got to be healthy. Come on out. Please, we need your help.
Now, Affinity Dental, we're talking about how much they give back to the community. For all the businesses and the business owners that are watching today, how can they contact you and have you bring the blood mobile out to their business?
Well, they could call the 389-5433 general number, and they could ask for Raphael or a donor recruiter, and we'll be glad to organize a blood drive, like today.
Fantastic. Raphael, you're doing a great job, and we're going to talk with some of the donors as we continue our visit today with Affinity Dental. We've talked with Raphael from the Blood Center and how that works. Let's talk to one of our donors. Terry Morales from Fresno has joined us. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning.
Tell us, first of all, why do you donate blood?
To help save lives.
Pretty simple, isn't it? It helps save lives. Now, I've been told you're a veteran. How many times have you done this?
I've been doing this at least 25 years.
25 years.
Yes.
I know there's some people out there that have never done it, and let's be honest, they're scared. What could you say to kind of calm their fears as a veteran donor?
Well, it is scary at first, but just remember what you're doing, and you feel great when you're doing it. And that's how I got by. Just, what you're doing is a great cause.
What's any words of advice? Eat a good meal, what you do after, before?
Just stay healthy, eat right, just keep yourself, do plenty of exercise, which I do nowadays. As you get older, right. you learn that exercise is great.
Now, I've been told from Raphael, it doesn't even matter what your blood type is. All types are needed.
It doesn't matter at all. They just want your blood, and especially if you're one of those rare types. Yeah, then that's even the more the better. But it doesn't matter. Just donate your blood, and you're going to do something great.
Again, to help our viewers out there, what will you feel like tomorrow? Will you even feel like you gave any difference at all?
No. You never even know you did it. have a couple cookies and you're fine.
And that is true. We do have sweets. Terry, it's a blessing. You're doing a great job to help our community and like you said, possibly save a life. Thanks for joining us.
Oh, thank you.
Terry is just a small sample of the people. There are dozens of folks that are joining us today at Affinity Dental as they give back to the community as we try to rebuild the blood supplies after the holiday season. We'll have the numbers posted, how you can get a hold of the Blood Center. But remember, Dr. Michaels, Affinity Dental, they do just a fantastic job here every day with the community. And they are my doctor and my dentist as well. We appreciate you for joining us today for this very special edition of Valley Life. I'm J.R. Jackson. We'll be back after this.